In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the various annotating features in Adobe Acrobat Reader. At this point, you've already downloaded the software and are ready to download a PDF and annotate it for your assignment. You'll first notice that there are a number of tools at the top and side of the window. I won't go over every one of these tools. In this video, I'm just going to show you and focus on the commenting tools. Access the commenting and annotating tools by clicking the Comment button. This will bring up a new Tools box. You can also see that a comment section is now available to view and type your comments. The Sticky Note tool allows you to leave a comment. Click the Sticky Note button, find where you want to leave a comment, and click again. Then leave your comment in the comment box. Highlight text using the highlighting tool. Click the Highlight button, and then click and drag over the text you want to highlight. You can change the color of the highlight here. This T button allows you to underline text. This button allows you to strike out text like this. This button allows you to strike out text and leave a comment. This button allows you to type text anywhere on the document, like this. This button allows you to create a red text box. This allows you to see your comments easier. Those are the basic annotating and commenting tools in Acrobat Reader. Here's a tip for success. Remember to save your document after you've finished annotating it. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor.